Assisted living in America is regulated in all 50 states. There are comprehensive regulations that providers must adhere to on issues like residential activities and types of food served. Every community must comply with all local laws and ordinances such as building codes and fire safety regulations. State surveyors conduct regularly scheduled inspections. Deficiencies are duly cited to ensure the residence is in compliance with all state regulations. The regulation of assisted living by the 50 states has proven to be very effective, and there is not a need for federal regulations. While professionally managed assisted living communities exceed the minimum requirements of the state, regulation at the state level ensures that residents are safe, secure, and receiving excellent care. Burdensome state regulations that increase costs without contributing to quality of life for these seniors should be avoided. Mildred Harris has found a full and event-filled life in assisted living.
I came here from a nursing home, and I like it very much. I never thought that I would like assisted living as well as I do, because I had all my life been on my own doing what I wanted to do. I mean, it's like living in paradise to me. It is beautiful. I would recommend it to anyone who has to give up their home. Assisted living is what you want, because they have games, sports, bus rides, theater dinners, anything you can name, they do it here. I think anybody who tries it would like it.
Across the United States, residents and their families have found that assisted living is a safe, pleasant, and fulfilling lifestyle.